Hello my dear friends, you are welcome to my channel. Today I am going to present you a beautiful and utmost knowledgeable presentation on one of the foremost, greatest and unparalleled poets of all the times, Dante Alighieri. Before you starting this video, keep a pen and a notebook in your hands. There shall be a number of things that you do not want let to go. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Dante was born in the mid of May and June 1265 in the Republic of Florence. Dante was died in 1321 at the age of 56. He was buried in Ravenna, Italy. Dante's spouse is Gemma Donati. Dante, Petrarch and Boccaccio are called the three crowns of Italian literature. Dante belongs to the Italian literary movement Dolce Stil Novo. In English, it is called Sweet New Style. Dolce Stil Novo or Sweet New Style is the name given to a literary movement in the 13th and the 14th century of Italy. In this movement, love was celebrated as the central theme of all the things. Dante used theme of love in the second part of Purgatorio of Divine Comedy. Dante was the first poet who introduced the rhyming scheme term terza rima for the first time in his Divina Commedia or Divine Comedy. The poem is totally based on the terza rima rhyming scheme till its end. Dante is considered as the father of Italian language, and in Italy he is often referred to as Il Sommo Poeta or the Supreme Poet. He is said to be the greatest poet of Italy after Virgil. In his lifespan, he worked as a poet, philosopher, and political personality. Dante was accused of corruption and financial wrongdoing by the Black Gulfs a long time. That Dante was serving as city prior in the Florence. The first formal biography of Dante is the Vita di Dante, that is written by Giovanni Boccaccio in 1348. In Dante's honor, a celebration was held at Italy's Senate of the Republic for the 750th anniversary of Dante's birth in 2015. His famous epic poem Divina Commedia is an epic symbol of its kind. Notable points about Dante. Dante did not write his important works in Latin language, but wrote his epic in simple colloquial Italian language and made his mother tongue and popular language proud with his great works. His works were similar to that of Tulsidas' writing in the language of Ramcharitmanas. In fact, this time was the time for the movement of the prestige of Lok Bhasha all over the world. In India also, Ramanand, Dhyaneswar, Namdev, Vidyapati, Kabir, Sur, Tulsidas, etc. made a similar movement of literature in the lingua franca. Dante's position is immortalized by Divina Commedia in the Italian language. He made a revolutionary effort against Greek and Latin traditions by giving subjects such as love and folklore. The importance of his works. The name of the two women that are closely associated with the life of the Tith. One is Beatrice Portinari and the other is Gianna Donati. In politics, he was a follower and supporter of the Soft Party. But when its side was defeated by the Revolutionary Party of Gulf in 1301, Dante and his companions had to bear the penalty of extortion. Unfortunately, if he was caught by the Florentine government after this conviction, there was a possibility of his being burnt alive. These days, its position was like a rudderless boat. Once in 1318, the public forgiveness was announced by Florence, and he was also allowed to return to Florence on some outrageous terms. He turned it down and decided to live on his way to the end. He died in Ravenna in 1321 and was buried there. Now we talk about Dante's literary career. From the point of view of convenience of truth creations, we can divide it into three parts of periods. In the first part, those works can be kept which are enthusiasm of youth and its fervent affection for Beatrice is reflected in religious conversion. Its duration can be roughly considered from 1243 to 1290. The most important composition of this period is Vita Nuova. The second part begins after the death of Beatrice. It can be extended from 1291 to 1313. During this period, his life was temporarily dominated by despair, sorrows, and faith, and his inclination became more and more toward philosophy and science. He continued to indulge in a tussle of schemes in the acrimony of political quarrels. The main composition of the second period are the Convivio, the Monarchia, the Epicluse, etc. The ideas and benefits of youth resurfaced in him, and he became even more strongly oriented towards the worship of consecrated soul of the late Beatrice. In many poems of Divine Comedy, its evidence is scattered. This third period of teeth can be considered from 1314 to 1321 till the time of his death. Notable works of Dante. First, Il Fieri and the Ditto di Amore, 1283-84. It is a late 13th century Italian translation of the Roman de la Rose, or the Romance of the Rose. Roman de la Rose is an allegorical work that was written in the 13th century by two old French poets, Guillaume de Loris and Jean de Meun. The next work is Convivio or the Banquet, that is written in 1307. This book consists four books. The Convivio is a kind of vernacular encyclopedia of the knowledge of Dante's time. It touches on many areas of learning, not only philosophy but also of politics, linguistics, science, astronomy, and history. Next is De Monarchia, a Latin treatise on secular and religious power that is written in 1313. In this book, Dante, as a political activist, forced to defend the autonomy of the city government of Florence from the temporal demand of Pope Boniface III. The work was banned by the Catholic Church in 1585. The next important work is Ecologius, that is written in 1319 and 1320 in Ravenna and published for the first time in Florence in 1719. It includes 68 verses. The Eclogues are called two Latin hexameter poems in the bucolic style. Last but not the least is Divina Commedia or the Divine Comedy, that is written in 1320. It is a long narrative Italian poem. It is considered to be the preeminent work in Italian as well as the world literature. As an allegory, the Divine Comedy represents the journey of the soul towards God. In this poem, an imaginative vision of the afterlife is represented. It helped establish the Tuscan language or the regional language in which it is written as the standardized Italian language. It is divided into three parts. The first is Inferno or the Hell. Second is Purgatorio or Disambiguation. Third is Paradiso or Paradise. So see you again in the next part. That will be on Divina Commedia or the Divine Comedy of Dante Alighieri. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed, stay tuned. Thank you. So see you again in the next part, that will be on Divina Commedia or the Divine Comedy of Dante Alighieri. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed, stay tuned. Thank you.